guys, welcome to Saving a Buck. We're up here in the wood shop today. We've got a cool little project. It is a do-it-yourself lumber rack. I'm in need of some storage up here for some of these wood scraps and things I seem to save a lot of. I hate to throw things away. I know most of you are probably the same way. We got the wood stove going. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. I am happy to be back on here. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe to the video, but today we're going to build this cool little lumber rack for our garage, and I'll show you that it's universal. It'll hold some of the little pieces, plus it'll also hold some 4x8 sheets of plywood, drywall, whatever you'd like to put in it. But hang with me, we'll get started right now. This is just some of my wood pile scraps I keep that I'd like to put a little well organized, a little better than what it is. So that's what we're going to do today. Alright y'all, so I've picked this wall right here. We're going to fasten with these studs right here, and we're going to try to make it 8 feet long. Have some racks right here, a little rack on top. But I also want to utilize my floor so I can put some things under it. So let's move some stuff out of the way and get started. Alright, so we're going to cut these 2x4s to length real quick, and we'll get started. Alright guys, so just remember that I'm going to be utilizing my post, because this is a pole barn, for my ends. And I'm just putting my back supports on the back right here. But if you don't have these, you want to put you another support over here on the end so it'll fit a whole 4x8 sheet. You'll be able to slide it back through there and it'll all be nice and uniform. My insulation with these here, the 4x8 sheets will slide across the face of these. So let's get some of these on here. So this is really a do-it-yourself project. It's real simple. I'm utilizing my post, like I said, to keep from wasting material. And it'll keep stuff off the floor. We'll be able to use this here to store some things under too. About 4 brackets right here out of 2x6s. And 4 here out of 2x6s. We'll make them probably somewhere around 2 feet or so. And what that does is create us a shelf we can utilize for lumber up here on top and lumber that sticks out right here. Plus, that'll give her our box for our back 4x8 sheets right here. Alright, I got a little intermission. I'm going to put some wood in the fireplace. Okay, so we've got these off the table saw. I did, however, put a little 45 on these, just, you know what I mean, just it looks a little neater than going up through here. We're going to fasten these right to the wall like this. And then we're also going to fasten one down here to this beam as well. And then that's what our material is going to hold. Okay, so there's our 4 racks for our bottoms. What we're going to do now is come up to where we can get a 4-foot sheet behind here, slide it in there, and then we'll let this be a shelf right here for our other lumber. We'll have a shelf up top. So we've got these in, we've got the top ones in. We got the top ones in right here. We're going to put our little board down here on the bottom, and then it's a couple on the back just to keep the big sheets from getting caught on the 2x, and then we'll have the leftover down here for our long stuff that we'll be putting on top. And then we'll be able to put some longer stuff up here if we need to. So I'm going to screw down a couple bottom boards to our wood shelves here. Just to keep the lumber from hitting the other lumber. My whole idea is to try to leave this bay here open so we can walk here, slide the big sheets in, and they'll be laying right here on the back. So we can just grab them right here and pull them out instead of trying to wiggle them clear through the little ends. So I'll leave this bay open to put big material in and out. Then we'll be able to utilize the long space here in the front and then some space over the top. Now we'll just cut our uprights for this area right here. We're going to fasten our backboard on there to get it prepared so the material will slide right up against it. Now we're going to put our backboard on this face right here just to keep our 4x8 sheets of lumber from hitting it. Just, you can put it up about wherever you'd like, really, just to keep it from catching your lumber there. So big sheets just slide across both top and bottoms. Now we're going to attach our 2x to our bottom legs here. We've got an old dirty one here we're going to use first. So the way this is designed is so you can walk up here, say with a big full sheet, you can walk into this bay, slide it back through there, and the whole sheet will be right there. And this will be our storage for later, for our other lumber. This space is 5 inches, so that gives you enough room to put 4 to 5 3/4 inch, well, it'd be 5 3/4 inch sheets of plywood, drywall, something like that. That you can keep on the wall without it being in your floor and things like that. We also have this room up here. Alright guys, so I'm going to go get a couple 4x8 sheets of drywall I have in my other drywall. to show you how this slides in behind here and works. So we're going to set it right there on that board. There we go. Got some pieces of some rough oak there, but you can see how that all works. We've got some more trim pieces we can just stick wherever we want. We're going to take these 8-foot 2x8s, we're going to stick them on top all the way. This is a nice turning blank for my lathe, so I'll throw it down here on these shelves and use it later. Hey guys, this is my little twist on a do-it-yourself wall lumber rack. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.